Hi everyone. Today I picked top 5 smartphone with 5000 mAh battery and 3 or 4 GB RAM. In the world of smartphones, we've reached a point where it's no longer necessary to spend absurd amounts of money to get some pretty cool features in phones. We have selected the top 5 smartphones that outclass all the others in the price range of 20,000 Pakistani rupees. Guys, at the end we will suggest you the winner with a piece of proper information. Let's check. Number 1. Huawei Y6p. Main highlights are 6.3 inches dewdrop display with 720 by 1600 pixels resolution, 3 GB RAM, 64 GB internal storage, and you can extend the storage up to 512 GB via micro SD card. Processor setup comes with MediaTek Helio P22MT6762R CPU, Huawei Y11 GPU. Camera setup, standard camera 13 megapixels, wide-angle lens 5 megapixels, and portrait mode depth sensor 2 megapixels. Front camera, 8 megapixels. Battery capacity, 5000 mAh with 10 watts charger adapter. Operating system, EMUI 10.1, based on Android 10. Biometric system, fingerprint and face unlock. Antutu V8 total score, 88,242. Number 2, Infinix Hot 9. Main highlights are 6.6 inches punch hole display with 720 by 1600 pixels resolution, 4 GB RAM, 64 GB internal storage, and you can extend the storage up to 256 GB via micro SD card. Processor setup comes with MediaTek Helio A25 CPU, Huawei Y11 GPU. Camera setup, standard camera 16 megapixels, macro lens 2 megapixels, portrait mode depth sensor 2 megapixels, and QVGA, low light sensor. Front camera, 8 megapixels. Battery capacity, 5000 mAh with 10 watts charger adapter. Operating system, XOS 6.0, based on Android 10. Biometric system, fingerprint and face unlock. Antutu V8 total score, 93,758. Number 3, Tecno Spark 5 Pro. It is the carbon copy of the Infinix Note 9. Similar display. Similar RAM and internal storage. It supports up to 128 GB external memory. On the other hand, Infinix Hot 9 supports up to 256 GB. Similar processor setup. Similar cameras setup. Same battery and charger. Its Antutu V8 total score, 92,890. Let's move to number 4, Realme C3. Main highlights are 6.5 inches dewdrop display with 720 by 1600 pixels resolution, 3 GB RAM, 32 GB internal storage, and you can extend the storage up to 256 GB via micro SD card. Processor setup comes with MediaTek Helio G70 CPU, Mali G52 MC2 GPU. Camera setup, standard camera 12 megapixels, macro lens 2 megapixels, and portrait mode depth sensor 2 megapixels. Front camera, 5 megapixels. Battery capacity, 5000 mAh with 10 watts charger adapter. Operating system, Realme UI 1.0 based on Android 10. Biometric system, fingerprint and face unlock. Antutu V8 total score, 184,084, much higher than previous 3 models. Let's check the final model of the list. Vivo Y11 2019. Main highlights are 6.35 inches dewdrop display with 720 by 1544 pixels resolution, 3 GB RAM, 32 GB internal storage, and you can extend the storage up to 256 GB via micro SD card. Processor setup comes with Qualcomm Snapdragon 439 CPU, Adreno 505 GPU. Camera setup, standard camera 13 megapixels, and portrait mode depth sensor 2 megapixels. Front camera, 8 megapixels. Battery capacity, 5000 mAh with 10 watts charger adapter. Operating system, FunTouch 9.1 OS based on Android 9. Biometric system, fingerprint and face unlock. Antutu V8 total score, 94,601. Winner on base of performance and quality. All the 5 smartphones are available around 20,000 Pakistani rupees. The Huawei Y6p, Infinix Hot 9, Tecno Spark 5 Pro, and Vivo Y11 comes with a similar performance type of processor setup. On the other hand, Realme C3 equipped more powerful processor setup at the price range. If you enjoy playing games such as PUBG, Life After, and Call of Duty, you'd want to go with the more powerful Realme C3 as it will be able to provide you with smoother frame rates. Infinix Hot 9, Tecno Spark 5 Pro, and Vivo Y11 cannot compete with the quality of the cameras of Huawei Y6p and Realme C3. The Huawei Y6p is equipped with a 13 megapixels primary shooter accompanied by a 5 megapixels ultra-wide and 2 megapixels depth sensor. Meanwhile, the Realme C3 is equipped with a 12 megapixels primary shooter accompanied by a 2 megapixels portrait and a 2 megapixels macro lens. As for selfies, the Huawei Y6p is equipped with an 8 megapixels shooter while the Realme C3 only comes with a 5 megapixels camera. As per usual, the megapixel count is not the sole indicator of a smartphone's camera quality. Check out a comparison on YouTube and decide which phone is capable of producing better photos. We do, however, think that the Huawei Y6p is more versatile thanks to its inclusion of an ultra-wide angle camera. However, do take note that you won't have Google application services, and you won't have some functionality until they're added to Huawei's application services. I will go with Realme C3 for the price because of the powerful processor setup and comes with proper Android application. AI triple rear camera, 4cm super macro and slow-mo video, and dual SIM and micro SD up to 256 GB. You can leave the question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.
Realme C3 triple camera.